channel, guys. We are back at the drag strip. We got the Maniac, we got John, and we got Cody with us, and of course we've got the blue car. Now last week we ran the blue car, and as I said in the last video, Rob told me do not take this car over 10 pounds of boost until we put it on E85. But however, he said to go ahead and run boostane, 9-10 pounds of boost, run some boostane in it, try to get my timing all the way up. So what we did is we got professional grade boostane, and I've got 8 ounces in the tank. I talked with Cardi Car Guy and a couple others. They said try it out first with 8 ounces. Since I do not have a 100 octane tune, and all we're doing is trying to hit the timing cap that he has in the car for the 93 tune and keep everything safe. So we got that in the car. As far as everything else is still the way it is, but we do have an N2MB box coming. Thanks for Zero in Racing for sending it out to me, but we got that coming. That will be installed next week. So hopefully when I come back out to the track next week, if the weather is good, we will be able to leave on some boost. We're gonna play around with that and see what we can do. I've also, guys, I've got to get some axles under the car. I'm really tempting fate running this car with stock axles in it. But anyway, guys, we are about to make our first pass, so let's get going. Alright guys, we are about to make our first pass. We are going to put the duty cycle on 50%. 50% duty cycle. Oop, too far. Alright, there we go. 50% duty cycle is usually around 8 pounds. We're just going to see how it does. And then we will bump it up to back to 60% like we was last week. Felt like a really good pass, so we're about to see.
You'll have to go to the tower. Their thing messed up.
Okay.
It didn't send me one, and I told them that I didn't get one, and they were going to resend it, and it sent a different round. Like, this was 2 trucks that raced. It wasn't even your
Okay. All right, just tell them my number.
Yeah.
All right. That's aggravating because I think that's the best pass I've made in this car. Because my draggy's never read 680. So we're about to go find out. All right, guys, so the ticket shack did not have my time slip, so I had to go up to the tower to look at my time. I'm gonna show the time right here. Okay, as you can see, car 64 and I am car 64 ran a 684 at 109. And guys, I looked at my boost. It was between 7, 6, 8 pounds of boost. It showed peak boost at 8.1. 50% duty cycle. I usually run around right at 8 pounds of boost, so right on par there. So 50% duty cycle, 8 ounces of boostane professional in the tank with 16 gallons of 93. So we're gonna go up to 60% duty cycle like we were last week, and we're gonna make a pass. Last week we were running 107 mile an hour on 60% duty cycle, and on 50% duty cycle we're running 109 tonight. So it is ready to go. So we're gonna turn it up to 60%. We're gonna run it and see how we do. All right guys, here we go. I'm gonna let him leave first because I don't know how this car is gonna act leaving. The air's cooler tonight. If it gets a little squirrely, I don't want to be beside somebody. All right, guys, so yes, we broke an axle. We knew it was gonna happen. We knew it was only a matter of time. It is what it is. Stuff happens. We're gonna go get a stock axle from a guy in the morning, come back up here, and we're going to swap it out, get it back on the road, and then we are ordering some probably DSS 2,000 horsepower axles, sticking it in, and not having this problem again, because we do have the two-step coming. All right, guys, so we're gonna pick this up in the morning. For you, it'll only be right now. We are back, and I'm gonna swap this axle out. Now, I'm not gonna film it because I've gotta get this axle swapped out because they have got to get ready to do their races tonight, and I don't wanna hold them up and be in their way. Track owner, really cool guy. Shout out to Scott at Jackson Dragway, really good guy. Is allowing me to come out here and fix this car instead of having to worry about loading up on a trailer and everything. So gonna go ahead and get it fixed really quick, and then we'll catch back up with you when I get it fixed. All right, guys, so we got the broke axle out, and there's the, yep, there and there. She snapped. Anyway, guys, just gonna show you that she snapped in two. We got the new stock axle in, thanks to Will here in local in Jackson. He had already put some 800 horsepower axles in his, so he let me get these from him to be able to use. But anyway, guys, we'll catch you here in a minute. All right, so we got the car back to the shop. I put it up in the air, looked at everything, make sure everything looked good. Did a little more cleaning in the crevices, get some of that grease out. You guys, you know how that, if you ever broke one of those axles, you know how that is. But got some of that cleaned up, went ahead and swapped back out to the street wheels. The reason being is I have got 1,000 miles on this car since I put the twin turbo kit on, and I'm driving around on those and I'm wearing them down, and those are hard to come by right now. The ET Street R's are hard to come by right now, so I decided to go ahead and pull them off the car, save them for track use only, and put the street wheels back on. But guys, I am highly satisfied in the Hellhorse Performance twin turbo kit. Last night, with a little bit of boostane, this thing did 109 mile per hour with 7.5 to 8 PSI going down a drag strip. Last week, the same boost setup, but with no boostane, the car did 106. So we did 109 last night, so highly satisfied. That thing just needed a little more octane to let that timing come alive. And I only used 8 ounces of boostane Professional in a 16-gallon tank. And guys, I was running a full tank of fuel. So guys, I highly recommend the Hellhorse Performance Twin Turbo Kit. Cannot imagine what it's gonna be like when I put it on E85 and turn it up. So we're gonna be doing that. We might do some weight reduction, I'm not sure. I did not have any of the weight out of the car last night. Full interior last night. I know I talked about it in the last video where I weighed the car. If you did not catch that video, put a card right there. But anyway, guys, I'm very, very impressed with the car. All right, so something I wanna go over really quick with you guys. Hellhorse Performance for the month of September is offering free installation, yes, free installation of their twin turbo kit when you purchase a twin turbo kit for the month of September. So holler at Jeff at Hellhorse Performance, and it will come with the comp twin turbos like I have, the triplex ceramic ball bearing turbos. Also, now standard in the kit is 4-to-1 custom headers. So you will not be getting the modified stock like I have. You will actually be getting an improvement over what I have, which is gonna flow better and be better. So guys, you cannot beat the special that he has going on right now. So go holler at him. Now, I will say that the boost controller, the fuel pump, the oil pump gears, stuff like that is extra, but holler at him. He's even has a special going on with oil pump gears and insulation right now also. So holler at Jeff at Hellhorse Performance, and don't forget, when shopping at Hellhorse Performance, to use discount code SpeedAddict731. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned, because we're just scratching the surface of this car.